The first option, continue writing, expands on the text you already have while keeping the same tone, structure, and direction. If your slide currently says, "The ADDIE model helps guide instructional design," Storyline might continue with something like, "By moving through each phase deliberately, you ensure your training meets real learner needs and avoids unnecessary rework." It extends your thought as if you simply kept typing. Next, Explain This takes the existing text and breaks it down into simpler, more digestible wording. If your content originally says, "Summative evaluation measures the overall effectiveness of instructional materials," Storyline might rephrase it as, "This step checks whether the training worked the way you hoped it would." It's ideal when you want the concept to feel clearer and more learner-friendly. When we look at the Edit Text tool, several options can appear similar at first glance, but they each serve different purposes. The best place to start is Suggest Improvements, because everything else branches from here. This option rewrites the text to improve flow, clarity, and readability, without changing the meaning, the complexity level, or the audience. If your sentence is a little clunky, like, "The learner should be capable to understand the objective before moving forward," the Suggest Improvements tool might refine it to, "Learners should clearly understand the objective before continuing." Same message, better execution. The other refinement tools differ from Suggest Improvements in important ways. Improve Writing is more assertive. It tightens and elevates the language to feel more polished and professional. Simplify Writing makes the text easier to read by reducing complexity and breaking down long or dense phrasing. Change Audience rewrites your text so it fits a different learner group. If your wording is too advanced, the AI can reshape it for beginners. If it's too simple, it can shift the language to match a more experienced audience. The message stays the same. The framing changes so it lands with the right people. Finally, Find Synonyms focuses on improving individual words rather than whole sentences. If a sentence feels repetitive, like, "This process is an important part of the important learning experience," the AI might suggest alternatives such as critical, essential, or key, giving you cleaner and more varied phrasing. It's an easy way to strengthen wording without rewriting the whole idea.